Greetings, everyone. As Superintendent of Schools of the Spring Grove Area School District, I am pleased to congratulate this year's Educator of the Year. Mrs. Kristen Henning exudes an enthusiasm for teaching and learning that is contagious among students and staff. She seems to be omnipresent, and she supports 4 school buildings serving our K-6 students and teachers. She's easy to reach when a crisis arises and is extremely efficient in finding successful resolutions to challenging problems. She maintains a professionalism that is admirable. Mrs. Henning provides classroom teachers with the tools and strategies that support their own acquisition of 21st century skills. She operates at an energy level that motivates staff as well as students to rise to their own next level. Mrs. Henning leads with a dedication and conviction that encourages others to join her in the journey of assisting others to become themselves proficient, lifelong learners. Her colleagues realize that her presence in our buildings is a blessing. They appreciate her daily efforts, and they respond with an equal amount of excitement as they study and learn new technology under her guidance. Mrs. Henning approaches her role in a very unique manner. She models the best instructional strategies and consistently communicates effectively with her peers, and that makes them eager to learn and strive to meet her high expectations. Let me just tell you this. Mrs. Henning has been an incredible asset and a resource to all of our students and all of our staff. In this year where we have been challenged to deliver a new and exciting way to instruct our students, engage them, and to make sure that our staff are capable and have the tools ready to respond to the needs of our students, she has been incredible. She has allowed us to be able to do what we have done, and that is to have our schools open, our children engaged, and for those that could not attend in person, to feel like they're part of the Spring Grove community. That is something that we could never do without her support, her leadership, and her dedication to her art, an art that works within the science of instructional technology. For that reason, the nominations that came in overwhelmingly recommended her to be our Educator of the Year, and we in turn have acknowledged, recognized that, and joined everybody in honoring and recognizing her, Kristen Henning, as our Educator of the Year. And for that, Kristen, we congratulate you, and we present the Certificate of Achievement on behalf of the entire Spring Grove Area School District, and in particular our educational community at the K-6 level. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm humbled to accept this recognition, especially during this crazy time in education. I wouldn't have been as effective without my team, the supportive administrators, and the awesome hardworking teachers that I have the privilege of working with every day. I love working with teachers and students as we implement various types of technology into their instruction and learning. Specifically this year, we have all grown and learned so much about the new methods of instruction, new tools to share and collect content, and of course, working remotely when needed. I've also gotten to work with more of our community this year as we've added the home environment as yet another learning space. I'm so proud of what we have accomplished and the efforts of so many as we transformed education this year for our students.